we'll be going over silver futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We remain in pause MACD and nearing overbought levels with the RSI. We have broken above the 50 moving average, this orange line, which will act as our temporary support at the price of $27.28. As we extend that to the 4-hour chart, we remain in slightly negative MACD, but we're reversing right back to pause MACD. As we extend that to the daily chart, we still remain in pause MACD, and we're off of overbought levels with the RSI. As for support, that'll be where you have the 100 moving average, this orange line, and that coincides with the 150-day moving average, the red line, and they are around a price of $25.07. And as for resistance, that'll be where you have made the highs back in February 1st at the price of $30.35. If we were to test that level, that price movement to the upside is roughly around 10.3%, and to test support, that is around 8.8% to the downside. And as for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading SLV. My position size is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $23.86, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $25.83, and my stop loss is at $23.37. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $26.76, and that is this range there. My stop target is at $24.38, and my stop loss is at $27.30. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 36% chance to climb between 0 to 6%, and a 57% chance to fall between 0 to negative 6%, and for the extreme case to the downside, a 7% chance to fall between negative 11% to negative 18%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.